Well, hello and welcome to Pete Rodriguez Life Coach. I am so glad and honored that you have taken your valuable time to visit my page to learn more about my services and what I have to offer. So let's dive right in and let me tell you a little bit about myself. It was in 2004 I was diagnosed with diabetes. I lived with this illness for 10 years, and I can relate firsthand what it feels like to lack hope and to also deal with the many frustrations that come with illness. Then, to my surprise, my life took a turn. Oh, I didn't see this coming. In June 2015, I was diagnosed with a rare disease called Guillain Barre Syndrome. It was by faith, self-reflection, and changes in my eating habits that I was able to overcome GBS, obesity, type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, acid reflux, and much more. Today, I am proud and glad to announce that I am no longer on any medications and I'm fully recovered from all these ailments and diseases, and I'm here to tell you that so can you. Pete Rodriguez Life Coach is a consulting business. What I will do for you is I will provide step-by-step guidance and coaching to live a balanced and healthy life. Through my life experiences and previous health challenges, I will educate, provide valuable information that will give you an eye-opening view of the foods that we eat and how they affect our daily lives. The knowledge I provide is very genuine from my heart and has been proven to be invaluable in my life and those who have followed my coaching. Today, I want to invite you to take your first step and join me in this life-altering journey. I'll see you on the other side. Have a great day.